What if this Christmas, your home didn't just look festive? What if it felt alive with warmth, sparkle, and soul? Picture walking in from the cold, soft lights twinkling, cinnamon in the air, and the faint sound of laughter echoing through a room that glows like a snow-covered cabin window. Every pillow, every wreath, every candle, telling a story of comfort and joy. No endless shopping lists, no stress, just creative, heartfelt touches that make your space glow. This season isn't about perfect magazine decor, it's about creating moments that feel like home. In this video, we're unwrapping the best Christmas decorating ideas for 2025. Ideas that blend nostalgia with new trends, elegance with DIY charm, and beauty with meaning. So grab your cocoa, light a candle, and let's begin turning your home into a winter wonderland that everyone, including you, will fall in love with. Where should you start when decorating your home for Christmas? Every transformation begins with a vision. Before the first garland goes up, pause and ask yourself, how do I want my home to feel this year? Do you crave classic holiday warmth, rich reds, gleaming golds, and lush evergreen? Or are you drawn to modern winter minimalism? Crisp whites, silver touches, and clean lines. Maybe your heart beats for farmhouse coziness. Plaids, wood textures, pine cones, and candlelight. Once your mood is clear, everything flows easier. Start with one focal area, maybe your mantel, entryway, or dining table, and let that guide the rest of the home. Decorate intentionally, not hurriedly. When each piece has a purpose, your home feels curated, not cluttered. If this first idea helped you picture your perfect Christmas vibe, tap like, and share this video with someone who's planning their holiday setup too. What are the top Christmas decor trends for 2025? This year's designs are whispering three words: natural, nostalgic, and warm. Woodland charm, earthy greens, pine textures, and handcrafted ornaments. Nordic white, soft neutrals, linen fabrics, and birch details. Vintage cottage, lace, brass bells, heirloom pieces, and candlelight glow. Sustainable DIY, reused ribbons, dried florals, and eco-friendly crafts. It's a return to sincerity. Fewer plastic sparkles, more heart and texture. Homes feel personal again, layered with scent, light, and memory. What trend fits your personality best? Rustic woods, white minimal, or vintage glam? Let me know below. I'd love to read your ideas. How do you make your Christmas tree the showstopper of your home? Your tree is the stage where your entire holiday story unfolds. Choose a color palette, no more than 3 shades, so it feels intentional. Decorate in this rhythm. Lights first, weave them from trunk to tips for depth. Ribbon or garland second, drape loosely, like fabric waves. Ornaments last, cluster in odd numbers, balancing big with small. Mix materials, shiny, matte, glitter, velvet. Add nature, sprigs of pine, berries, dried citrus. Finish with a topper that echoes your theme, and wrap the base with a cozy blanket or woven basket. When the tree glows softly at night, you'll know you built more than decor. You built an experience. If this part already sparked inspiration, give this video a quick like. It helps share a little more Christmas magic with others. How can lighting transform your Christmas decor? Lighting is the heartbeat of ambiance. One strand of lights can turn a quiet room into a sanctuary. Start with warm fairy lights around windows, mantels, or stair rails. Layer in candles or lanterns for soft movement. Place lead tapers inside glass jars for safety with elegance. Add spotlights under your tree or in corners to create depth. Remember, bright light shows off decor, soft light creates emotion. At dusk, dim the main bulbs and let your Christmas glow tell its own story. If you love mood-setting ideas like this, subscribe now. There's plenty more cozy inspiration coming your way. How can you decorate beautifully on a small budget? Budget limits creativity, but it also unlocks it. Shop your own home first. Ribbons, baskets, jars, or fabric scraps often hide untapped potential. Try these zero-stress hacks. Fill mason jars with salt, candles, and twigs for snow jar lanterns. Hang homemade garlands of dried oranges or popcorn. Paint old ornaments new shades for a 2025 color update. Wrap empty boxes for pretty presents under tables or trees. When you design with imagination instead of spending, your decor tells a story money can't buy. If these ideas sparked your creative side, hit like and save this video for later. Perfect to revisit when you start decorating. How can you make every room feel festive and connected? Think continuity. Your home should feel like one flowing melody, not 8 random songs. Repeat subtle details from room to room. The same ribbon color, candle scent, or metal tone. Add mini wreaths to doors, small bowls of ornaments on side tables, or garlands over mirrors. Even bedrooms deserve a dash of cheer. A plaid blanket or fairy lights over the headboard can change everything. The goal is harmony, not uniformity. Each room sings its own verse, but shares the same chorus. If you're picturing that seamless, glowing home right now, tap like and share this video with someone decorating too. What are some easy DIY projects to try this year? DIY turns decorating into memory making. Create mini wreaths from twigs and ribbons, ornament art from leftover, wrapping paper, or centerpieces from pine branches and candles. Other quick wins. Frame holiday lyrics or printables. Make personalized stockings from old fabric. Tie cinnamon sticks with twine for scented wall hangers. Each handmade touch adds authenticity and warmth. Proof that Christmas doesn't come from a store, it comes from creativity. What's your favorite Christmas DIY you've ever made, or plan to try? Drop it in the comments so we can all get inspired. This Christmas, let your decorations be more than pretty things. Let them be chapters of your story. Every garland, candle, and handmade piece carries a bit of your heart. Start small, stay intentional, and remember, the magic isn't in having the most decor, it's in feeling the most joy. So turn on the lights, sip that cocoa, and smile. Because your home is about to become the coziest place on earth.